I'm the quality assurance technician as well as the lot attendant crew lead, and I've been with LDV for 3 years. The lot attendants and quality assurance technicians play a very important role. A lot attendant is responsible for moving the trucks throughout the facility, such as fabrication, paint, graphics, according to the production schedule to keep all jobs on task. I do a full inspection, including test driving them, fueling them, and making sure every aspect of the truck that we put in is operating as it should and it's ready for the customer. My favorite part about my job here at LDV is that I'm involved in every vehicle that we manufacture, from bookmobiles, snap-on tool trucks, to law enforcement trucks, really anything we build. And I get to see all the awesome work that we do. LDV vehicles are legendary for their quality, and as soon as I get in a truck to inspect it, I'm looking for any flaw, and I'm gonna fix that flaw before it leaves the facility. I'm fortunate because I get to interact with everybody that works here. It is really amazing to see what we can accomplish here when we have a team of great people. My favorite vehicles that LDV builds, hands down, the mobile command centers.